Hey guys, so we're actually here in Griffith Park. We're at a very unknown or lesser known part of Griffith Park. It's actually called Ferndell.
So we had to start you guys here so you guys can experience it.
Look at this. Wow, this is beautiful. Evange, should we get some coffee?
Please, yes, we need coffee so bad. We've had no coffee today. I usually, because we work, I usually have 4 cups of coffee in the morning. I've had 0 coffee. I am having withdrawals from coffee.
Yeah, and as you know, we love coffee. We're coffeeholics. So we're gonna stop by Girls Cafe now and see what they have. So we're walking towards Trails Cafe.
Getting some coffee.
Yeah.
Because Vange and Danny need coffee. This is me without coffee, guys. Struggle is real. I'm so excited about getting coffee. And even going to this really cute cafe in Griffith Park. So follow us along. Here we go. Taste test the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. They make the bread here themselves. Look at this. Super excited. Here we go. Here we go.
I don't want to be that guy.
Yeah.
It's like, this is fine, but that's all I ever do when people come down here. We're going to have 6 types of tacos, and that's okay.
It is so good. The bread is so soft. The peanut butter is actually made fresh here, so is the jam. Highly recommend. This is a really great peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Oh, it's so good.
So guys, Evangeline and I are heading towards the observatory. We are on the observatory trail, and we just had our coffee.
Wait.
Oh, wrong way.
we're going the right way?
I'm not sure. I think it's that way.
Yeah. You're right.
If we get lost, then we get lost. It's okay.
Just follow other people.
I like spontaneity sometimes.
Same here.
So we're walking towards the observatory once again, and looking forward to it. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be on the easier trail. There's a western trail and an eastern trail, and the eastern one I think is shorter by about like 1/10 of a mile. So we're gonna be just starting out.
We just finished our coffee. The Trails Cafe actually had Stumptown coffee, one of my favorite coffees. So I'm energized now for our hike.
Yeah, like did you notice that it was kind of bitter, right? It was like a little bit bitter, a little bit more acidic than
stevia. Danny likes coffee.
I like black coffee.
Just like totally black, totally bitter. But I like it sweet, so I have to just put my sweetener in it.
Yeah, and as you can see, we are approaching the observatory. Kinda.